My voice today sounds rather strange, doesn't it? Yes, I have flu, and I am recording this podcast in bed. And in this podcast, we will introduce or revise some vocabulary related to being ill. Kevin, the hero of our soap opera podcast, people, feels very unwell. He has a headache and a fever or high temperature. He has vomiting and diarrhea. He telephones his doctor's surgery and asks for an appointment. The receptionist tells him that the doctor can see him at 11:30. Kevin's girlfriend Joanne drives Kevin to the surgery. The doctor asks Kevin about his symptoms and when he started to feel sick. He explains that Kevin needs to take an antibiotic, that he must stay in bed until his temperature has returned to normal, and that he must drink plenty of fluids. The doctor writes out a prescription which lists the medicines that Kevin needs to take. Joanne drives Kevin home and then takes the prescription to the chemist's. The pharmacist at the chemist's finds the medicines that Kevin needs and gives them to Joanne. Kevin takes the medicines as directed, 1 5-milliliter spoonful 3 times daily after food. Happily, within 2 days, he feels much better and is able to go back to work. Goodbye.